Recording in progress.
Welcome back, family. It's Makisha Stiles here, aka Kish, and I would like to once again say thank you for those who continue to show your love and support by always liking, hint, hint, commenting, and subscribing to each and last one of my videos. Thank you so much. And of course, special shout out for those of you who got my book already. You got this because you do. You better got this, right? So where do you get your copy of my new book at? It's going to be coming across the screen, but it's also available on Amazon.com. Just type in my name and you'll see it come up. So what is the topic for today? You know, every single Monday, I get on here and go through something, like something under 5, sometimes be under 7, you know, sometimes I get a little long with it, maybe like a minute or two. But I like to go over something that's going to keep you moving for the whole week. So no matter what it is you come into, you can come back to this video where I'm hear it again and be like, okay, you know what? I got this. And you just go ahead and you're able to make the right decisions to create the week that you want to create. So that's what all these Monday Mindset videos are about. So what's the topic for today? You know, I love to, give you something that I relate to myself. So everything I come to with you all is something that I relate to as myself as well. Because this is helping me. So the topic for today is being yourself. Because only you can be you, right? It's a quote. One day I'm going to learn who exactly writes these quotes. But every time I see a quote, I'm like, you know what? I like that one, so we're going with that one. So the quote for today is, be yourself, but always be a better version of yourself. Because we could say, hey, be yourself, but it all depends on what you're out there doing. So it's like, let's say, be a better version of yourself every single day. Because every day, you should be growing. Just like if you plant a seed, you plant it outside, wherever you're planting it, you expect every day for it to grow, right? The same thing with you. Every day, you should be growing and becoming a better version of yourself. So what are 3 steps you can do to help you become this better version of yourself? The first thing, because remember, it's all about being yourself, is you don't want to sacrifice yourself too much. What do I mean by that? A lot of times, especially if you're like a caring, giving person, you're like, hey, me, I'm a caring, giving person. So that's me being myself. But sometimes people take advantage of that. So you always want to leave something for you. Because if you're out there helping everybody 24/7, just doing it, just giving your all, giving your money, giving all your time to everyone else, what's left for you? Because if there's nothing left for you, how are you going to continue to help them? So you always have to be pouring into yourself, and you don't want to sacrifice yourself too much for others. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is you want to always take time to yourself. What do I mean by that? A lot of times, especially if you're the type of person like I am, like when I'm around like a big crowd, I take in so many different people energies and it drains me. So that's why a lot of times you see me like I might be in a corner somewhere, I might be in the back, because a lot of times I get very drained because I'm just taking in so much and it drains me. So if I don't have my different crystals on or just different stuff going on, it kind of sucks the life out of me. So I have to step back for a moment to catch my breath. So that's the same thing with you. Take time to yourself. So if you got to take, last week's video we talked about the 5-minute meditation. So if you got to take time to yourself, even if it's going to a spa, maybe you can't go to a spa, just go somewhere quiet to yourself for at least 5 minutes. Cause I know sometimes you have kids, you got a job, you got things going on, but just take 5 minutes to yourself. Take that time. That time is very, very important because now you're able to recharge. So don't our electronics recharge? Like I'm on a computer, it recharges. My phone recharges. The tablet recharges. Everything recharges, right? Because if not, you stay at 100%, 99%. Then you're like, oh, I'm still good. Because you are 99%. So think of it as your body as well. 67%, you're like, whew, I might need to charge it, but I'm still good. 33%, you're like, oh, God, okay, I might need to charge this. 9%, you're plugging it into the wall by then, right? Because you're like, man, then it starts to turn red. The same thing with your body. Same thing with yourself. So when you're always giving to others, you have to take that time out to recharge yourself no matter what's going on. Even if it's 5 minutes a day, take that time out and recharge yourself. Okay? So that's the first 2. What is the third one? Of course, I can go down the list with a whole bunch of them. But the third one is going to be always knowing your worth. Because it's all about being yourself, right? But you also got to know your worth as well. So I'm just going to go back to it. A lot of times we're pouring out to others, we're pouring out, and then sometimes people take advantage of that and start to tell you who you should be. You have to know your worth. Know exactly who you are. That's gonna be another topic. It might be next week's topic. We're gonna think about it. But know exactly who you are. So if you're not the type of person that's gonna go out there and say rob a bank, steal from people, right? then don't allow anyone to put those type of characteristics on you. Know your worth, no matter if it's relationships, no matter if it's jobs, whatever it is. Know your worth, okay? Know that you are powerful. Know that everything you actually just need is right here within you. These whole video series and these whole podcast series are to help you bring that out, because my goal is to help you reach your fullest potential and realize that you are worth it. You are here for a reason. So when we come to number 3 and it says knowing your worth, please know your worth, okay? It's going to take some time, but don't worry. Kish going to help pull it out of you, but know your worth. So number 1, you want to make sure you're not sacrificing yourself too much for others, because you got to save some time for you, right? Brings to number 2, take time out for yourself, whether it's 5 minutes a day. But I wouldn't go less than 5 minutes, because you got to know your worth, right? You deserve at least 5 minutes a day to yourself. So we're going to say at least 5 minutes a day. Take that time out to recharge, okay? Just sit there for a minute, okay? Just do whatever it is that you like to do for 5 minutes a day. Then of course you can go longer, but we're gonna go with 5 minutes a day. And then the third one, always knowing your worth. So don't let anybody tell you something that you're not, because you know who you are, okay? If you don't know who you are, I'm gonna tell you right now, you're a powerful, powerful being, right? And you were put here for a reason. So let us hear your gifts. Share your gifts with us, because we are ready, okay? We're just waiting for you to acknowledge it. So that is all for today. And I like to keep them short, right? Under 5 minutes, sometimes under 7 minutes, all depends. But hopefully you'll gain some type of value from this. Be yourself, and every day take on something that's going to allow you to become a better version of yourself. That's the whole key. It's going to be getting you to the life that you deserve. All right, so that is all for today. If you haven't already, make sure you get a copy of my book, You Got This, because you do. You got this. It's in Amazon. You're going to see it come across the screen as well. And I'm looking forward to hearing your success, because this is the 2nd week, right? This is the 2nd week. Make sure you let me know. Comment in the comments below what's the key takeaway you took from this video. And I'm looking forward to hearing about all you all success. And that is all for today's episode of Monday Mindset Vibes. And I will see you all next week. And I wish you each a blessed, prosperous, and wonderful rest of the week.